The green anaconda is considered the largest snake in the world. It has been awarded this title by the International Union for the Conservation of Nature. It grows up to 32 feet long, while reticulated pythons can grow a little longer, and might be considered one of the largest in the world. It is anything but bulky. The extra muscle mass means that anacondas can weigh up to 1,500 kilograms. This is as much as a small car and can be as long as a school bus. Anacondas are among the heaviest. Python snakes are some of the largest snakes known to humans in relation to length. The carpet python is most interesting because of the fact that some have been recorded to be over 30 feet. The Guinness World Record holder that is still alive today is currently Medusa, a reticulated member of the boa family. She is currently the longest snake alive, and this adult female is 26 feet long. There are many other snake species that can grow longer than the green anaconda, such as the yellow-footed python and the black python. These pythons currently hold the world record for the length of a snake at any given time, but may not be alive today. With the longest ever measured at 33 feet, these pythons still hold the world record for length of all snakes. You wouldn't want to mess with any of these snakes. Some have been known to swallow a fully grown man with ease. Other stories consist of constricting people and breaking all the bones in a victim's body. One useful tip to remember when seeing a snake is the age-old rule: keep away from it, and it will keep away from you. Unless you're dinner, then run.